You're behaving like a stalker. I don't really know if people have already done this or if people already do this, but the other day I was at lunch with my friend and she was like, how is that your lipstick is still on? And then I told her this little trick and she was like, you should do a video on that. And I'm like, but will I look like an idiot? But then she was like, no, just do it. Nobody sees your videos anyway. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thank you for always coming back. So as you can see, I have my full face of makeup done except for my lipstick, so this is gonna be a little lipstick tip video. I'm just gonna show you guys how I make my lipstick stay on all day. Not all day, but like for a long period of time, and also make it withstand, you know, all the food that I eat and still make it not disappear, if that makes sense. So let's get started. I've been putting on lipstick like this for a while now, but given the current scenario with the whole mask situation, this has proven to be a lot more helpful. First of all, I'm just gonna apply some lip balm and then take a nice red liquid lip. I highly suggest a liquid lip and not a lipstick because I think these tend to, you know, stay on more. And don't go crazy with it. Just like my previous video, just dot it on, you know, multiple areas on your lip. And I do apply a little bit on the inside of my lip, inside as in, you know, where the butthole lip thing actually happens. And then just rub it on with your fingers. Now you want to give it a couple of seconds to just, you know, dry down a little bit, because we have applied it on top of our lip balm. It's not gonna like completely dry down, but then just give it like 10 seconds. Now you want to take your lip liner and line it however you like. I obviously like to overline, so I'm going to do that. Now you can take whatever lip gloss or lipstick or liquid lip that you want to use and, you know, put it on. This I feel really works well with lighter, you know, colors like nudish colors, especially if there's a color in your, you know, makeup collection that's a little bit too light for you, that you feel like washes you out. If you just put it on top of this, it's gonna like look like the perfect nude. So the Bombshell from Huda Beauty is something like that for me. It's a little bit too light for me if I put it on, you know, on my bare lips. It really washes me out. But if I do this and put it on, it's like the perfect nude. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Then I just like to take a tissue paper and just blot my lips a little bit. And if you want, you can put like translucent powder on top of it, but I don't want to because I don't like it. I mean, it works, but I just don't want to. So basically the trick part of this is that red liquid lip that we put on in the beginning, and basically that's just gonna act as a pigment on your lips even as this top lipstick fades away, and that is the whole point. And it's not gonna, you know, create that butthole lip situation even when you eat a burger. So yeah, and yeah, I will try to take you guys throughout my day and show you guys that it really doesn't move around much. My first vlogish video featuring my chicken legs for the first time ever in this video. We basically went to the mall, we had some shopping to do and run some errands, and you know, later we grabbed lunch and all that. And since I asked my husband to do a couple of videos of mine, he started behaving like a stalker and wouldn't stop filming me, which you're behaving like a stalker. Clearly I did not like. And then we went to a restaurant to have some lunch and I started acting crazy. So it's been like what? I don't know, 3 hours since we left home, and now we're gonna have lunch. And as you can see, I mean, I don't know. Wait, let me check if my lipstick is fine, okay? Yeah, it's looking fine and, you know, fresh AF. Obviously, we were very safe. Also, this video features carefully curated methods in which I eat so that my lipstick doesn't move around. So that's very important, you know, how you eat like that. So please take notes. These are very important. I really wanted to like eat a burger and show you guys that this lipstick actually stays on, but I'm really not that hungry, so I'm gonna like just eat pasta and prove it. So I finished my lunch and I know it's like faded a little bit, but still it looks nice. I don't have that butthole lip situation, I think. But yeah, anyway, I'm not done with my day yet. I'm gonna walk around the mall and maybe grab a coffee, and I think I'll talk to you guys at the end of my day. Bye. And this is us failing miserably at the whole hold my hand romantic shit. Then I did some more shopping at the mall and stopped filming because nobody wants to see that. Then we went to Starbucks to just grab a coffee, and when I say coffee, I mean a frappuccino because I am a sugarholic. And by then I almost started to regret asking my husband to film me because he wouldn't stop. Okay guys, I'm done for the day. It's almost 6 and I'm like really tired and I'm gonna go sleep. I hope. Okay, wait, I should have checked if my lipstick is still on. I think that was the whole point of this video. I do kind of feel stupid for doing this video and now you can't see anything. Okay, thank you, Teji. I reached back home, had a nice day at the mall, which is my favorite place in the whole entire world. And yeah, as you can see, my lipstick is, it has faded, but it's still there. It's not that bad, and that's all I meant to share with you all. If you all already knew this, then I'm sorry I wasted your time. And if this is brand new information, you're welcome. So basically it just, fades into a lip stain and doesn't create the whole butthole situation, or does not make your lips look weird. That's it, you guys. Now I'm gonna go and take a nice little nap. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye guys.